far. Yeah, people come from far. So let's just focus on what actions we plan to. One moment, Professor. What actions we plan to do. Are we all in agreement that, as Claude has suggested, that we go tomorrow to the Pollution Control Board
Yes.
at 4 o'clock and demand the closure? Is that okay? So, Pollution Control Board,
Pato.
the same place in the town country.
Is the second step of Goa liberation.
Okay. So, everybody in agreement, so please spread the word. If we can be there, that would be at least one action. Sorry?
Make an appeal on the media, tell them to...
Yeah, I think the digital co has already sent thing. This has to be citizens. This is not about, we don't want to make this NGOs or activists or any leadership. This is just a completely faceless movement. It's just going to be any citizens. So just to spread the word and make that. And we thought that, I don't know, we have drafted this, Satish, myself, we have drafted this as an appeal, as something that has to go out from here to the press or whatever for the press to carry as a citizens action group. If it's okay, you please tell me if you require correction. Yeah. So we, the citizens of Goa, are appalled by the damning indictments contained in the Shah Commission report against the mining industry in Goa and their conniving political patrons and bureaucrats. As a society, we will in no way be led up the garden path and fall prey to the mischievous smoke screens that this irresponsible industry will put out before us. We demand from both the state government and the Union Government of India to stop passing the buck and obfuscating this issue with characteristic political gimmickry. We urge the governments to forthwith stop giving new leases, and we demand that all illegal mining leases, especially those encroaching on forest land, be immediately cancelled and all culprits be booked, however powerful they may be, without fear or favour and in the interest of Goa and Goans. We demand 100% implementation of all the recommendations of the Shah Commission report. The government then, in consultation with the people of Goa, must then kick-start alternate economic activities with the rupees 35,000 crores robbed from Goa's people and with fresh ideas and vision. Is this okay or?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah.
Make an appeal right now.
Yeah.
That pollution board is near the Pandi bus stand.
Yeah, that I think the press is here, they will just carry that and...
No, you make an appeal, they will carry it.
Yeah, I mean, of course.
No, you say it.
You're
on television. You say it, they will broadcast it.
Yeah. And we request the people of Goa to assemble tomorrow at 4 o'clock at the Pollution Control Board office at the Pato Plaza in Panjim to demand from the Pollution Control Chief that these mines be closed forthwith since they are operating illegally as per the Shah Commission report.
The first thing that you said.
4 o'clock tomorrow. 4 o'clock tomorrow, the 11th of...
In your appeal, the first point you raised about, just the first point you raised about illegal mines, I think what Lord said most strongly, that the Shah Commission very clearly said, all mines are illegal.
All.
Yeah, so just make it very clear. No other thing, not that.
Illegal and
all
legal,
mines
and
are
yeah.
Make it very clear to the people that the Shah Commission, all mines are illegal and they have to be closed.
So can you tell all?
There is nothing like illegal.
All mines.
All mines are illegal approaching forest land.
So very clear one statement here.
Anything else?
I didn't know the mandate.
I mean, this see, I think the thrust, I don't know, this is my opinion, but again, if you could give me a feedback. The thrust of this whole thing should be, I don't know exactly how this is going to play out because this involves sports, it involves again media, it involves so many factors which will then become more and more difficult as time goes by. I think the thrust should be attack on the mining industry, nothing more, nothing less. It should no longer be about politicians and small shops and traders. It should just be the mining industry. It is already in black and white in the Shah Commission report. What more do we want? If you had a Santosh Hegde report which caused the resignation of the Chief Minister of a state like Karnataka and Janardhan Reddy still rotting in jail for 1 year, I mean, why should we have these guys just strutting around as if they are the kings of England over here? Absolutely no way. Yeah, Sabina?
See, our concern is we are protesting the mine owners, okay? But while civil society members will come and protest, we are this many, we must also understand there's a huge force that is employed by the mining companies, and they are also on our side.
Right.
So we should not antagonize, because it's when we say people of Goa, they are also people of Goa. So what I think from our side, we should also talk about protecting their interests. All those who are employed, it's not their fault that they got, as I said, cheated into being.
That's what I said. Starting the alternate economic activities with the 35,000.
Specifically, we support truckers.
Not truckers, even the
Truckers and
people
minor
who
truckers and all
We
people
support all
affected
dependents. All
they should be
dependents.
compensated, or
All
they should be
dependents should
whatever.
be
put over there, the
Government is
35,000 shall be utilized
One more.
for looking after
When
people
we make that,
affected.
then the government in
That's not the money.
consultation with people must then kickstart alternative economic activities
To look after the people
to
affected
look
by
after
accepting government.
Dependents.
Dependents.
to look after the mining dependent people.
Economic
By the Goan people, common people affected. by
economic rehabilitation.
Look after the mining dependent.
Common people affected by the government.
Dependents.